When Article 50 of the EU AI Act lands next August, every AI audio release has to stay marked after it's transcoded. I built Tessera to prove that's actually buildable. It runs a label's whole batch through one gate. 12 releases, 7 auto-cleared, 2 flagged for remediation, 3 blocked. Every verdict backed by evidence. The part I care about most, the C2PA metadata, gets stripped on social, so I recover the soft binding watermark instead. The UUID survives at confidence 0.989 and re-resolves the manifest from the ledger. And I made it abstain. When a broadcast comes through the analog gap and the mark barely reads at confidence 0.699, it routes to human review rather than bluffing compliant. For a company named for truth, that one mattered to me. Every verdict cites its Article 50 clause and exports as a dossier a regulator can actually read. Provenance that survives the real world and the discipline to abstain when it doesn't. This is Ashutosh, founder of Veriprajna, building true intelligence.